Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So today in this video, I'm going to continue with what you need to do to win your very first government cleaning contract. Now, I spoke in yesterday's video about making sure that you focused on small ones, and I talked about the micro purchase. I'm going to finish up with the micro purchase today, and then tomorrow I will talk about the simplified acquisition and what you need to do with that. Now, I like to say that it's not a secret and it's not impossible to win your first or government cleaning contracts. It is a system involved. Step by step by step. That is what a lot of people get confused. They want to go from step 1 to step 9, step 1 to step 5, and you have to go step by step by step. Now with the micro purchase, it is a no bid. It is based on if that government buyer, which is the one that can bind the contract, thinks that you are the best fit. They do not have to bid. They don't have to put out to be competitive. They can award it. So what does that look like for you? First, there are several agencies that use us. The 5 are, I talk about Veteran Affairs, Homeland Security, FEMA, Health and Human Services, Department of Defense. Those are the top ones that use the cleaning industry a lot. Now, there are others, but those are the top ones. Next, you want to do a micro purchase. There are a lot of agencies that I just mentioned that use us, that use the micro purchase threshold and that simplified kind of procedure that we're going to talk about tomorrow. Now, when you want to do business with the government, you must accept the micro card, which is the micro P, or the P card is what you call a government card, a P card. You do need to accept it. You want to have that on your website. Yes, you need to have a website, a professional website that actually demonstrates or illustrates that you accept government contracts as a service. If you do residential and commercial within your cleaning business, you want to make sure that you show on your website that you also accept the P card. Now, I know my bank, SunTrust or Truist, did not at the taping of this video accept or help you set up the P card. But I do know that Bank of America is one of the ones that I saw at the current moment that would help you set up your account for accepting the government credit card. You must accept the government, not just any credit card, but the government credit card, also known as the P card. Once you do that, you have your website, you narrow down what agencies are going to utilize the micro purchase and have the micro purchases, and you're going to have your P card. Once you have all of that, the website, you accept P cards, you've got it set up, you demonstrate it on your website, your capability statement, then you're going to start reaching out with an introduction letter, calling the contracting officer, the buyer, one and the same, and building that relationship. That is what it's going to come down to. They're going to want to know that you are ready, you have the skills, and you have what they're looking for. A lot of these purchases are from buying pens to using our services, cleaning windows, doing a one-time project, landscaping. They need all of that for this particular micro purchase. $10,000 and under, boom, boom, boom. You find the agency, you have the services they're looking for, you reach out and build the relationship just like anyone else. These contracting officers, buyers want to work with someone that they feel comfortable with. If you build that relationship, you will be the one. And then once you've done that, you will become the go-to person for a lot of the things that they're looking for that fall under this threshold. Now, tomorrow, I'm going to talk about the simplified acquisition procedure and that threshold, which is $250,000 and under. So if you want a lot more detail in the micro purchase, specific agencies, what should be in that introduction letter, and you're ready to leave your 9 to 5, guess what you can do? Click to register for my free masterclass on how to win your first government cleaning contract. your very first one. What are the requirements? And all of that and more. Make sure you click to register. I look forward to seeing you. Until next time, take care and be safe. Bye-bye.